Hi, this is Jordan, aka Jord Rod on Instagram, and I just had a great brunch at Greyhound Tavern, and I like this place so much I decided to start working here. A plate I'd definitely recommend that you try is the chicken and waffles. It comes with a huge chicken breast over soft waffles and a side of home fries, and it comes with syrup and buffalo sauce, which I think adds a really great flavor. Another great dish to try is the avocado toast. It's 2 pieces of toasted scally bread with a couple slices of avocado on it, and I would add an over easy egg to it. So with the mimosas, you get a flute of champagne as well as your choice of any juices. You could get peach, grapefruit, pineapple, OJ, or cranberry. My favorite's the peach. For the Bloody Marys, a fan favorite is definitely the All-American. It is Tito's, our house Bloody Mary mix, and Tabasco, so it has a little bit of a kick, and it's garnished with bacon and fresh vegetables. The only problem with brunch here is that it's only 2 days a week.